They're closed. Yeah, his shop got broken into, so that's yeah. Bummer.
Okay, wait, hold up. We're gonna find Abe.
Looks like Birdie is here. The guys made it in. Hey, Mr. Birdie, how are you?
Good, man. How are you?
Good. We're just documenting everything. Yeah. Thrilled to be here.
What up?
We finally made it to see Birdie. Yeah.
We're here.
You doing your mad genius stuff right now?
Well, just cleaning up because we had like a small incident a few days ago.
I know.
But
Jeez.
getting organized and getting back. I mean, it's just another day, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are we? Is this is where all the magic happens?
Right.
I assume.
Yeah. Okay. This is. Long story short, this is my equivalent of Han's Garage from Tokyo Drift.
It has that feeling.
Yeah. So as an artist, as a freelance artist, I've always wanted kind of my own space, like studio place. But as soon as I got into the car scene and started getting more heavily into modding cars and stuff, I kind of integrated that into my practice.
Right.
Whereas I see cars as just another canvas for me. So if I were to find a place, which was this place, where I can basically combine all of my practices in one and like not have one interfere with the other, then that's like my life goal, right?
Yeah.
And then I can just keep like doing my thing, basically. So.
Very philosophical.
Yeah.
Can we take a look at your artist area?
Yeah. The actual studio space, man. Like this is my bird's nest. I've actually slept here before.
Oh yeah.
Like
That's a code violation. Wow. Is it ever clean up here? Wow.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, literally full of flaws the other day, but yeah, Hoonigans.
For sure. Hey, what's your recommendation to guys who kind of want to get to where you are? How like?
Yeah, man, that's
like obviously you have talents beyond just the business side of it, right? Like,
right.
Your talent level's,
I think
crazy.
My mainstay is the art stuff, right?
Right.
That's where I. Like,
but you've successfully managed to transition from being a artist to actually being, some of those talents into the automotive side of things, right?
I think it all falls down into like mindset and discipline. Like,
yeah.
As long as you keep it consistent, depending on whatever it is that you want to do in life, just go for it. And then a lot of people ask me like, how do you find that passion?
Right.
Like
for such a
right?
for such a extended period of time too. You've been doing this for a while, right?
Yeah, I guess I fell into it early. Like even before social media was like something you can make a profession out of.
Yeah.
I was always about like just getting my art out there. It wasn't always of like I could care less about the profit, but it was just as an artist I just wanted to get my stuff out there. And then when people ask me how do you find that kind of passion, I just say like everybody has their own interests. And there's things that they do throughout the day that they find themselves spending more time with. And I think that's it. Like whatever you find yourself spending more time with and you actually love doing with your time, just pursue that, That's in the beginning, like a lot of people are gonna be like, I don't have the money to actually invest into this practice, but that's why like I say work on that part-time while having a full-time, and then eventually that part-time will become the full-time.
That's great, but always starts with consistent passion, right?
Absolutely, yeah. Never stop. Like you won't see that progression in the beginning, but it's gonna be, if you keep it daily, it's gonna be a slow progression upwards and not just like flat.
Right.
Yeah.